What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to block a YouTube channel. If there's a channel you don't want to see on YouTube, there are a few ways to limit its content. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and go to the channel or video you want to block. If you're seeing a video in your recommendations, tap the three dots next to it. From the menu, you will see two options. Not interested. Selecting this removes the specific video and helps train YouTube's algorithm to not show similar content. Don't recommend this channel. This ensures that YouTube will stop suggesting videos from this channel in your recommendations. However, these options don't fully block the channel. You can still find its content by searching for it. To prevent a channel from engaging with your content, go directly to the channel's profile by tapping on their name. Once on their profile page, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Hide User from my channel. This will prevent them from commenting on your videos. Their comments won't be visible to anyone, effectively blocking them from engaging with your content. For users managing YouTube Kids, you can also select Block Channel for Kids via this menu. This ensures that the blocked channel's videos won't appear in the YouTube Kids app. Keep in mind that YouTube doesn't offer a full block feature that removes all traces of a channel across search results, comments, and recommendations. But using these methods will significantly limit the visibility of unwanted channels. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.